In this video, we'll learn how to set up student fees in the Cloud Campus ERP software. First, open the Fee drop-down menu and click on Setup. From here, open the Settings drop-down and select Fee Structure Type. On this screen, click on Import Structure, select the structure you previously created, enable the checkbox, and import it into the system. Next, open the Settings drop-down again and select Fee Heads. To create a new fee head, click on Add Fee Head. A pop-up window will appear. Enter the required details and add the fee head. After creating the fee head, locate it in the list and open it in edit mode to make any necessary changes. Now, move to the Discount Heads tab and click on Add Fee Discount. In the pop-up, select the discount you want to apply and add it to the system. Once the discount is added, open it in edit mode, enable the required checkbox, and update the settings. After that, open the Settings drop-down again and select Fee Structure. Here, search for the structure type you added earlier and click on Create Fee Structure. In the pop-up window, select the class, choose the fee head, enter the fee amount, and click Save. If you want to apply the same fee head to another section of the same class, simply click the copy icon above the fee you just added. The system will automatically fetch other sections or groups of the same class. To learn more or request a free demo, visit futuresol.net.